Let round 2 begin. Get out of my garden. Come on. Go. You freaking. I know, because he thinks I'm feeding everybody. Look at all the grass work I did. Gone. Come on, get out here. Get on, get. Not back across the garden. Back that way. Get out of my garden. I could see tomatoes already toast. Get out of here. Get out. No, not that way. The way to the gate. That's not the gate. That's not. She's behind you. Freaking toasted them. Get out. Well, we probably would have had 40 pounds again. You eating little turds. Get out of the garden. Hold on, she got to find the hole. Look at that, right through the gate. All right, so round 2, we're fixing that today. All right, so the wife wants to try some fall taters. And I seen one that we're going to try first and foremost out here where the chickens destroyed everything and got it pretty soft for me. We're just going to go down so far, set a potato, cover it. Forget about it. Same thing, about a foot off. Just going to take it, set it in there, and hopefully forget about it and the chicken won't find it for me. We're going to put some straw on top of it and pull that weed out of there, cover it. Hopefully forget about it. I'll water those in here in a minute. And hopefully she'll be able to get some fall taters. We'll find out. All right, next order of business. They're coming back in. Get out of my garden. Ted, get out. Thank you. All right, so I guess the first order of business is to get some fence and cover that up. Freaking Ted. Jeez. That basil's going to need clipped again. It's going to straight. What? No, there's red and orange ones all over this one. Now pull them too. They'll turn. And then you got one pepper on the ground right there. It's pretty well toast, but it can go to the pig. I think I'm going to try to prune this arm and where it's touching the ground and see if that helps. I need to water them because they're just getting super sad. Is that poison? Nope, that's fresh tree. They're just so loaded with peppers. They're ridiculous. Jane, stop it! Yeah. Well, this is definitely going to need washed now. That one's got a bunch of holes through it. Can't stay up off my poblano. Douchebags. Alright, I'm gonna go get some fence. Hi, baby. Alright, let's do some measuring here with my gate guardian. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna say 10. Make sure it's long enough. Let's go get some fence. First, we gotta infiltrate the pigs. All the chickens, all over the place. And Ted has to go after the garden. Well, none of the other ones do. That's the one. You can get on. You better get. Shut off. That sucks. Quit. All right, plan B. Take the new fence, tie it into the gate, and hope it slows him down. Hopefully it stops him, because I don't want to put a full pin around this garden. I am trying to tie. Oh, man. What an idiot. I will make it work. I knew I should have got that extra couple feet. I don't like that. Hold on, turkhead. I'm just doing my pliers. All right. That ought to keep him in or out, whatever I want to say. Yep, good job. Measure it. Make sure I got it right. Got some wire in the barn. That one ain't going to bother you. Nope, she's one of the ladies. She's not as rude as frickin' Elvis. Come on. You sound like a baby goat. You better watch your fingers doing that. I don't know how I come up almost a foot short. That's all right. I might have cut that perfect. What? I ain't got nothing for you. I done fed you guys since I've been here. Wow. Bye. Love you. No. Get around here. She's got babies. She got baby pigs. You don't need to be over there by yourself. What, Ginger? You just ain't been digging being out here in the big pig pen, have you? I get it. Stop them. Might need to wrap just a little bit. One more ought to do it. One more ought to keep them out. We'll actually do 2 more because I want to fix that bottom too. Cut the first one perfect. Couldn't cut the other ones. Saved my life. Gee, baby. All right, that ought to keep Ted out. All right. Good me. It's hanging up a little bit on the bottom, so we're going to put some more wire to it. Jane, no. Not your sister. 2 more pieces. Right there where she's hanging up at. Watch out, Jane. Nope. Don't like the way that looks. Nope, watch your fingers. Watch your toes. Nope. That might do the trick. Yep, then we're going to take this other piece of wire, lift this up to here. I think Dad cut that one short. Not short enough for it to not work, though. I should have brought the trail camera today. Set it up, that way we can see if he can still get through here. All right, yep, you're banished. Come on. Watch out. You're welcome. Got a whole bouquet of flowers for the wife. Got the fence up to fight Ted. Dad gave me some of the 4-inch, so I didn't have to use my rabbit fencing. The wife got all the peppers mowed, or water. Pretty good day.